right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. Today I'm going to show you a game changer in tuning your car. So a lot of y'all know about an AFR meter. We're checking our air-fuel ratio, but a lot of the ones like I have and the basic ones, they're just a meter inside of your car. So I'm guilty of it. I know a lot of other people that's attempted to tune out there are guilty of setting a camera up and watching the AFR. We want to know what it's doing. Instead of doing that, here's something way better. Comp Cams part number 170301, air fuel meter, wireless, single sensor. You can get this with two sensors. My friend Shane Polito hooked me up with this one. It is a single sensor, and it is a Bosch sensor, just like everybody runs, but there's something special about this one. So there's the actual sensor itself, brand new. Here's the module for this sensor. And you see the symbol. This sucker is going to communicate to my cell phone and data log for up to 2 minutes what my AFR is. So when it comes time to hit the Zex and have party time, this is going to tell me everything I want to know during every pass. You can also wire it to where the output relay can be configured as an anti-theft window switch or an AFR safety switch. So multiple functions at the same time, meaning that if you're driving your car and it goes super lean, it can cut your power for you. And that's kind of sweet, especially if you're wanting to play with nitrous stuff and anything like that. So I want to get this thing put in. I have the demo mode downloaded right now on my phone, and I'll show you a basic clip of what it looks like. I'll probably have to go get my other camera when I actually drive the car so I can film my phone as it's going down the highway. Something like that. I may also screen record it, doesn't matter. So what I'm looking to do, since I put on my new Moroso fuel log, is my car going to be lean at wide open throttle? I'll know now with this super nice sensor. Let's hook it up. Wires. Yellow is the TAC input. You can pause and read that if you'd like, but yeah, pretty simple. I'm just going simple right now so I can get this thing up and going and see what it's all about. So hopefully you can see the, I just went for a slight Sunday drive. It seems to work really well. The problem is, let me show you in the app. It's not really a problem, it's just my ignorance here. So here's my app. There we are. I'll turn my power on. There we go. So that's what it's reading right now. It's on AFR, it's heating. When it data logs, you'll see this pause button, so you can hit pause and play. I haven't gotten it to actually save, so I guess what you would do, the easiest thing I would think to do, If I can go back. There we go. So after it starts, you pull down on your phone, whatever kind of phone you got, hit screen record, and you'll see it count down. The little red dot on top means you are screen recording. There we go. I start the car, heating, there we go. So right now it is recording. I'm gonna bring the RPMs up. See that spike? So I'll hit pause on that, turn my car on. There we go. So right now it is disconnected and the data goes away. So you say, oh no, I'm going to stop my screen record. And I'll go to my photos. So now I can scroll back and watch and see exactly what happened there, except I'd be looking at it on my phone. So I'd say, okay, this was today at 2:14 during that pass, or if it was a pass, it's not a pass, but, and that's where we disconnected at. So it all looks good. So I will delete my video now that I just screen recorded for you. And when I actually go out to make passes, I'll click record so I can save the data. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. It's getting warm today, but it's supposed to be like high of 79 on Saturdays. I'm looking forward to going racing. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you next time.